everyone, you are watching the Design Tour, a program about exciting design events, impeccable interiors and stunning furniture. I'm Nastya Kovalova. Let's go! On today's show, the long-awaited opening of Natuzzi Italy monobrand showroom in the capital of Azerbaijan, Baku. Let's find out how it was. The launch of a monobrand showroom is an event akin to the opening of an embassy. We have a unique opportunity to visit one of the most high-profile design events of the year in Azerbaijan, Natuzzi Italy showroom opening. The Natuzzi brand does not need a special introduction because this factory is famous for its incredible aesthetics, craftsmanship and the captivating experience of comfort that their products offer.
Natuzzi
Italia is a brand for those who share our values, fairness, ethics, for all those who are in the pursuit of harmony through beauty and aesthetic taste. We create harmony through beauty, through the combination of colors, materials, styles, functionality. People who share these values with us are those with whom we are on the same page. I think the Natuzzi brand can please self-sufficient customers, people with an open mind, people who know exactly what they want from life, and I think that's enough. The company was founded more than 60 years ago in one of the most beautiful regions of southern Italy, Apulia, and since then everything Natuzzi does is deeply connected to this territory. We are proud of our brand because it's connected to the place of our origin. It represents our sea, our hills, our temperature, our way of life. We are very open to the world. We are proud to work with more than 100 countries. We export all over the world. We tell the world about our origins through our concept. We are proud to remind everyone of our company values, ethics and honest business. Profit should be an important part of a company, but we don't have profits without honesty. This is one of our most important principles. The connection with Apulia is clearly visible in the renovated Natuzzi monobrand showroom, which opened its doors in Baku, the capital of Azerbaijan. It was designed by Fabio Novembre, a famous Italian architect, surrealist and provocateur, an undisputed star of an international industrial design scene. I really like this showroom, this space. This is a project we have been working on for a year together with our partners here in Baku, with our whole team, production, designers, merchandising. We are very proud of the final result. This showroom is a perfect example of our concept. It is a harmonious space where there is style, color, functionality, materials and lighting. It all creates harmony, and that is exactly that we offer to our client. It is very good that Fabio has worked on the design project for this showroom. It has become bright, luminous and light. New emotions emerge when you enter here. A complete upgrade of this showroom gives you a new feel and brings you closer to the origins of Italy. This showroom corresponds to European standards. I'm very glad that Baku has such showrooms as Natuzzi. The showroom is built according to the new principle of an open, inclusive space filled with incredible light tones, as if it symbolized Natuzzi's openness to the cultural diversity of the Mediterranean. The latest collections of the factory presented here are created in collaboration with famous international designers, among whom, apart from Fabio Novembre, are the lines of Marcel Wanders and Paolo Navone. What catches my attention the most in this showroom is the harmony of the colors, as well as the harmony of the right textures, wood and metal and their combination. If I had to do the design in my house, I would use all the pieces of furniture that are here. Really great design. I liked all the furniture. Today we have seen very good prices and pieces. Harmony, color combination, and above all the blend of beauty in such nuances, I think it will highlight any interior.
Natuzzi'nin əsas başarılarından biri
One of the key factors in Natuzzi's success is the collaboration with internationally renowned design specialists. Indeed, it's wonderful that each one of them brings something unique to the products and to the brand itself. The grand opening of the renovated Natuzzi showroom in Baku gathered leading Azerbaijani architects and designers who are dedicated to offering the best to their clients. The Italian ambassador to Azerbaijan, Claudio Tafuri, was also among the guests. We invited our friends, designers and architects to the renovated Natuzzi showroom today. We would like to celebrate with them. I would like to mention that we are happy to attend the event, which is dedicated to the opening of such a famous brand as Natuzzi in Azerbaijan. Natuzzi Italy, we believe, is a brand of premium category because of the fact that materials, textures, models, design correspond to high-level furniture segment. It's a very interesting showroom. Here you can examine every detail. Today we have tested many models of sofas and armchairs. We can find the furniture we need for our projects in here. Natuzzi Italy showroom completely renovated its look from top to bottom. Floors, walls, ceilings, showcases, zoning, new furniture, new colors, new models, Milan 2023 stand. Many areas are represented here. I really like the abundance of the range because given the capricious public of Eastern Azerbaijan, to choose the right model for a different project is always difficult for me as an architect and designer. I have to choose and work with a huge number of brands, but there is such a quintessence here which combines a lot of variations of furniture, a great choice of finishes, and therefore I think that this showroom will prove itself in the market. Today there are a lot of projects in Azerbaijan that are designed in a modern style. The Natuzzi brand has a large selection of furniture, beds, armchairs, sofas, dining areas, so that you can compose a harmonious and beautiful interior in a single style. That evening the showroom, as well as Apulia itself, was filled with greenery, aesthetics and herbs aroma. Each guest, and there were many of them gathered for such a significant event in the design life of Azerbaijan, was welcome to receive an exclusive accessory from a specially invited florist. Girls were happy to wear bracelets and men decorated their impeccable suits with boutonnieres. The atmosphere of incredible Apulia was complemented by delicious Italian cuisine, with appropriate drinks, of course. Yes, of course I like it all. Moreover, this event was organized by Design Tour, and this is always a quality sign. The participation of smiling Anastasia is in itself a reason for fun and smiles on the faces of those present. That's why we like it here. We really enjoyed this opening. It was amazing. Everything was thought out, including the entertainment. The appetizers were delicious, by the way, and definitely the apéro. I think this is one of the most beautiful events of the season. We really enjoyed it, both the general atmosphere and all the details of it. Everything is perfect, everything is at the highest level, basically, as well as all the events that are organized by the Design Tour. They are simply beyond praise. The gala event brought a lot of positive emotions to the guests, and it fully reflects the concept of the brand, because apart from incredible comfort and aesthetics, Natuzzi gives pleasure. No doubt, today another embassy of impeccable Italian style has appeared in Baku, because Natuzzi is the love of beauty. If you are as fascinated by the world of design as I am, we will definitely meet again. I'm Nastya Kovalova. See you!